Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're concerned about privacy in Windows 11, Microsoft collects diagnostic data through a feature called Telemetry. Here's how to reduce it. First, press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send optional diagnostic data. Disable tailored experiences and set feedback frequency to never. You can also click Delete diagnostic data to remove data already collected. Next, press Windows plus R, type Services plus MSC, and press Enter. Find collected user experiences and telemetry. Double click it, set Startup type to disable it, then click Stop and OK. If you're using Windows 11 Pro, press Windows plus R, type gpedit.msc and navigate to Data Collection and Review Builds. Open Allow Diagnostic Data and set it to disable it. That's it. You have successfully reduced Microsoft Telemetry and improved your privacy in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.